Okay, so I'm going to start off by filling in my eyebrows with my Anastasia Brow Wiz pencil. This is in the color Ebony. Okay, so once I'm done filling in my brows, I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty. This is in the color 480. This is for my complexion. I'm going to put this on my face, and then I'm going to start to blend with my Real Techniques beauty sponge. So now I'm going to go with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Chestnut. I'm going to add this under my eyes, on my chin, and on my forehead. Now I'm going to wet my sponge and begin to blend all of my concealer in. After I got all that blended, I'm going to go in with my Sacha Buttercup powder, and I'm going to begin to bake under my eyes and on my chin and on my forehead. Basically everywhere that I put concealer at, I'm going to begin to put my Sacha Buttercup so that I can just set that into my face. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with my Becca Multitasking powder in the color Deep Bronze, and I'm going to use this as my contour. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and brush all this excess powder off of my face. So now I'm going to go in with my Morphe 35B palette, and from that palette I'm going to go ahead and utilize the burgundy red that's in there, and I'm going to start with my eyes. And I'm going to put this in the corners of my eyes and go all the way around. Once I've gotten that to look the way I want it to look, I'm going to go in with the little shimmery gold color from that same palette. And I'm going to utilize my fingers because they get the most color payoff. And I'm going to tap that onto my eyelid. And I like shimmer, so I'm going to put enough on it to make sure that it shines through. Then I'm going to go ahead and begin to blend because I want it to blend in with the other color eyeshadow that I currently have on there. So for my eyeliner, I'm going to be using my Marc Jacobs, and then I'm going to apply my highlight using the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Topaz. So now I'm going to do my wing, and I'm going to be utilizing the Physicians Formula Eye Booster Eyeliner in Ultra Black. And for my lips, once again, I'm going to be using my L'Oreal Infallible in Barely Nude. And I'm going to spray my face, and this is the final look. I hope you guys like. Thanks for watching.